नमस्कार. आयज मानसीक भलायकी दीस. कांय वर्सां पयलीं मानसीक आजार म्हणले की कांय लोक अशे भियेवपाचें एक वायट वातावरण आशिल्लें आनी मानसीक आजार जाल्ल्या मनशाकय ताचें नांव सांगनाशिल्लें, त्या घरान लिपोवन दवरताले आनी ताका लागून जातालें अशें की हो मानसीक आजार बळावतालो. मागीर ताचे भितरले जे कितें दोतोरागेर व्हरप, ताका चड वखदां दिवप. आज तशें जायना. आज मानसीक आरोग्या कडेन एक विधायक नदरेन पळयतात. शाळेन अशें जर भुरगे असले ताजे कडेन बरे तरेन ताका कसो वागोवप हाचे संदर्भात शिक्षण दिल्लें आसता. एडोलसंट तरूण जातकीर ताचे बद्दल एक वेगळो विचार येता. आनी आयच्या ह्या दिसा आमकां दिसलें की एक म्हत्वाची चर्चा ह्या विशयाचेर करची. सडेतोड नायक कार्यावळीन हांव तुमचे मुखार 3 मानेस्त दवरतां. तुमची हांव तांची वळख करून दितां. आमचे मदीं आसा डॉक्टर पीटर कास्टेलिनो, जे कूज ह्या मेंटल हेल्थ फावंडेशनाचे डायरेक्टर आसात. आमचे मदीं आसा देविका गुप्ता, ज्यो सांगात संस्थेच्यो रिसर्च आनी PhD स्कॉलर म्हणून तांकां वळखतात. आमचे मदीं आसा निलेश वरक, जे सेतू संघटनेचे सायकोलॉजिस्ट आनी चायल्ड प्रोटेक्शन ऑफिसर. हे 3 म्हत्वाच्यो संस्था आज आमच्या भितर आसात, ज्यो गोंया खातीर काम करतात. कूच ही तर मेंटल हेल्थ सुसायड्स ह्या विशयाचेर काम करता. सांगात ही संस्था ल्हान भुरग्यां संदर्भात काम करता आनी सेतू संघटनाय ल्हान भुरग्यां संदर्भात आनी तांचे मेंटल हेल्थ ह्या संदर्भात काम करता. म्हाका सगळ्यान पयलीं तुमचे कडल्यान तिगाय कडल्यान जाणून घेवंक जाय की गोंयची स्थिती कशी आसा आनी तुमची संस्था ह्या क्षेत्रान भितर नेमकें कितें काम करता. पिटर बाब, तुजे कडल्यान सुरवात करया.
So, see, mental health, as we know, as you said in the introduction, is now becoming more prominent. People are becoming more aware. There's a lot more, there's a shift. I remember when I started my practice 25 years back, and now there's a whole shift in the attitude and in the perspectives. So people are coming in for treatment early, and that's a very good sign. There's a lot of awareness that's happening, but yet the figures have not changed much. The number of people that are suffering from the illnesses, whether it's depression, whether it's anxiety, whether it's addictions, almost remain the same. If you go to see almost 4 to 6 people that attend a primary healthcare center would have some form of an undiagnosable mental health condition. And so, though we're saying that there is a shift, the more people coming in for help, still a lot more needs to be done in this arena.
Okay.
Yeah.
Devika?
My organization Sangat, we work with people of all ages that face mental health problems of different kinds, right from children to the elderly. And my team in particular is the addictions and research group, which is quite a big problem in Goa. We have worked with right from teenagers who are at risk of developing substance use problems like alcohol addiction or smoking, tobacco addiction, right up to adults who have been struggling with their drinking problems and need counseling as well as medical care to help them get over the drinking problem.
So overdrinking is also a kind of a mental illness?
Yes, so alcohol addiction is a mental health condition. So so we take the perspective that the person with the drinking problem is a person with an illness. So we try to support them like we would support anyone else who has a health condition. So you would give them counseling, you would give them support, you would connect them to a doctor to get some medications.
निलेश वरक, जे सेतू संघटनेचे एक जाळवणदार आसात. निलेश, वॉट इज युअर एक्सपिरियन्स? सेतू कितें करता आनी तुका कितें दिसता की ह्या क्षेत्रान भितर गोंयान खरेंच सिरियस आसा इश्यूज?
येस, थँक्यू फॉर द क्वेश्चन सर. आणि हांव सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा आयच्या मानसीक भलायकी दिसाच्या सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा दितलो आनी हाच्या वयल्यानूच सुरवात करतलो आयच्या म्हज्या ह्या फुडल्या कार्यावळीची. सो जशें हांव सेतून सायकोलॉजिस्ट म्हणून वावरता आनी सेतून म्हाका कमीत कमी 2 वर्सां जालीं सायकोलॉजिस्ट म्हणून वावरून. सो ह्या क्षेत्रांत आनी हो सेतूचो जो अनुभव आसा तातूंत आमी वेगवेगळ्या एज ग्रुपाच्या भुरग्यां वांगडा वावरता आनी तेंच्या फॅमिलीसां वांगडा वावरता. सो वयाच्या 0 म्हळ्यार 0 ते 19 वर्सां पर्यंत ह्या वयोगटांतल्या भुरग्यांक आमी डील करता, तेंच्या फॅमिलीसां वांगडा वावरता आमी. जशे कंडिशन्स म्हळ्यार मेंटल हेल्थ कंडिशन्स लायक ADHD जावं आनी कितें डिफिकल्टीज आसा, बिहेवियर इश्यूज आसा, जावं कितें सायकोलॉजिकल इश्यूज आसा जाल्यार लायक एंग्जायटी सारके ताचेर आमी डील करता, तांकां आमी इंटरवेन्शन्स ऑफर करता.
आनी म्हाका तुवें आनी देविकान म्हाका तुमचे कडल्यान समजून घेवपाक जाय की ल्हानपणा सावन अशे तरेचे दुयेंस मेंटल इलनेस हें बळावूं येता. म्हणजे ल्हान भुरगो खूब शिकता पयलीं पळय, भाशा शिकता, तो कशें वागप तें शिकता, लोकां कडेन कशे तरेन बिहेवियर करप तें शिकता. थंय प्रॉब्लेम जावं येता न्ही ल्हान भुरग्याक.
रायट, वेरी ट्रू. आनी हांव आन्सर करपाक इच्छितलो. सो जेन्ना आमी बारीकपणाच्यान उलयता, जेन्ना भुरगो आवयच्या गर्भकुडींतूच तयार जाता तेन्ना सावनूच थोडी जी मेंटल कंडिशन्स आसा ती भुरग्याक मे बी लागू जाता. आनी जेन्ना भुरग्याची वाड जाता, जसो ताका एनवायरमेंटल, सोशल हो भायलो एक्सपोजर मेळटा, तेचे फॅमिलीचें वातावरण म्हणा, तेचें स्कूल वातावरण म्हणा, हे सगळे फॅक्टर्स खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आसता आनी खंय ना खंय तरी ते एक रिजन जावन बसता भुरग्याच्या मानसीक आरोग्याची जी डेव्हलपमेंट जाता ताचेर. आनी तेन्ना मागीर आमी अंडरस्टँड करपाक जाय की एक्झॅक्टली रिजन कितें आसता, कॉज कितें आसता, आनी त्या पद्दतीन आमी सपोर्ट करूं शकता त्या भुरग्याक.
Will you please tell me how you can identify a child that he really has a mental problem?
So I don't work with children. I think
Yeah,
should be the
बरं
right
तू
person
सांगू
to
शकता
ask
कारण
that.
तुझाच विषय जाल्लो.
येस, रायट. सो बेजिकली आमी मेंटल कंडिशनाची उलयता, इट्स व्हेरी वास्ट. अशें ना की एकूच कितें तरी विशय आसा ताच्या बद्दल आमी उलोवंक शकता. सो बेजिकली जर आमी आतां स्टार्ट करत सिंपल ADHD, सिन्स आतां हो एंटायर मेंटल हेल्थ मंथ आसा, तो ADHD अवेरनेस मंथूय आसा. ADHD म्हळ्यार ती आमकां ना म्हटल्यार अरावंड 5 ते 6 वर्सां मदीं अर्ली सायन्स ऑफ ADHD हे भुरग्यां मदीं दिसून येता. आनी स्टार्टिंगचे जे सायन्स आसा ते आयडेंटिफाय करपी ताचे पेरंट्स आसता, जावं स्कुलान भुरगो चड वेळ स्पेंड करता, सो स्कूल टिचर्स आसता. सो मे बी हे कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स जे कंट्रिब्यूट करता आयडेंटिफाय करपाक अर्ली सायन्स ऑफ ताच्यो डिफिकल्टीच्यो, आनी तातूंतल्यान मागीर आमी बाकीचे थेरपिस्ट जे सेकंडरी रोल प्ले करता टू डिटेक्ट आनी तांकां सपोर्ट करपाक.
I will ask you the same question, Dr. Peter. How you identify a child that he has mental problems, number one, and whether our teachers are well trained to, to deal with such kind of situations.
See, there are two things. One is that when you look at it from a developmental lens, you'll begin to see that these children sometimes are not being able to reach their milestones. The time there are delays, there are lags maybe in the time they smile, they talk, they walk. There are these delays. Then we see that they possibly lag behind maybe in their studies, and where everyone else is able to pick up things much faster, maybe these kids are not able to pick up things faster. So we need to check and assess them whether they've got any learning disability, whether they fall into the ADHD spectrum, or whether they have any other issues. Then you look at it from a behavioral perspective. Whether there's a change in behavior. So maybe a child has always been very bubbly and now suddenly is becoming very quiet, suddenly becoming very anxious, always worried, he's not sleeping properly. Then we need to assess for maybe there's depression, there's anxiety, or if a child is suddenly becoming very aggressive. He's normally a very calm child, but suddenly becoming very aggressive. We need to check these out also. So change in behavior, or behaviors which do not fall within the normal spectrum of what is considered as normal, and maybe parents are finding very difficult to handle a child. I think these could all be signals, these could be red flags, and maybe it's just a normal part of a child. But I think now there are a lot of tests that are done, there are a lot of diagnostic tools that are used, and I think it's best that a parent actually seeks help, get a diagnosis done. Most often maybe nothing. Most often maybe nothing, but yes, it could be something, and therefore
we have seen a movie Tare Jami Par,
yes,
wherein the parents don't identify the signs,
yes,
but then a special teacher he goes and
I think Goa is doing fantastic work, and I think Setu is one of the forerunners in this, and actually educating teachers on the early signs, the warning signs, and what to do at their level if a child shows any lags, as you say, in their education or in their behaviors.
Yes. And how to find out, see, if there is a child is suffering, then child will not improve on its own. So what is the treatment? How we have to deal with it?
So it all depends on the kind of problem,
Yeah.
And very often a child is not dealt with alone because the child comes from an environment which influences the child. So you need to look at it from how the parents approach the child's behavior,
Yes.
how the teachers approach the child, and therefore everyone becomes a team in creating that well-being space within the child. So again, most of it can be done by behavioral modification, or probably just changing the environment or the teaching style. Like again in Tari Zameen, but it was just the whole approach of the education system of that one teacher, and the approach made the child then develop. See, it's like you can look at people who have disabilities, but they remain disabilities as long as the environment is not able and conducive to allow them to optimize their functioning. But once the environment changes, those disabilities do not remain disabilities. For instance, a person with polio, if he doesn't have a crutch or he doesn't have the right kind of shoes, he won't be able to walk. But you give him a crutch, you give him those the right kind of shoes, he can walk.
Yes.
So the environmental modification needs to be done so that now the child can optimize his or her potential.
Yes.
Yeah.
So can you tell us how you have been working with the teachers or the schools, to handle such kind of situations?
So that's a very great question, I would say, and I would like to address that. So आम्ही जेन्ना सेतू म्हणटा, सेतूचे आमचे काही पावणे आसा, सो ते आम्ही सेट केला आनी त्या पद्दतीनूच आम्ही सर्वीस प्रोवायड करता. फॉर एक्झाम्पल जेन्ना आम्ही ट्रेनिंगा बद्दल उलयता, सो आम्ही स्कुलाच्या टिचरांक जावं बालवाडीच्या अंगणवाडी वर्कर्स आसा तांकां, जावं इतर प्रोफेशनल्स लायक मेडिकल एक्सपर्टीज जावं कोणूय म्हणा, तांकां आमी ट्रेनिंग प्रोवायड करता. सो स्कुलांनी वचून वेबिनार्स कंडक्ट करप तांकां, अर्ली सायन्स ऑफ ज्यो डेव्हलपमेंटल कंडिशन्साचे आसा तांच्यो सांगता, अर्ली इंटरवेन्शन्स बद्दल सांगता, आनी मोस्टली ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली आमी करता विथ द इंटेंशन की तांकां आमी फकत आयडेंटिफाय करपाक लायता की तांच्या आजूबाजूक कोण भुरगीं आसा ती, कित्याक ती चड वेळ घालयता तांच्या बरोबर, आनी तांकां बेगिनांतल्यो बेगीन त्यो जायत्यो ट्रिटमेंट मेळोनी म्हणून, इंटरवेन्शन्स थेरपीज मेळोनी, सो तातूंतल्यान भुरग्याचो विकास बरो जाता. सो ते आमी करता.
तुमकां दिसता की गोंयचे टिचर्स अशे तरेचे दुयेंस पारखुपाक त्या भुरग्याक बरें ट्रीट करपाक सक्षम आसात?
रायट. सो आतां
म्हाका डावट आसा म्हणून हांवें तुमकां
रायट,
म्हणलें.
आनी तो खंय तरी क्वेश्चन तुमचो वॅलिडूय आसा. डावट
हांवें
म्हळ्यार
पयर एक पळयलां, एका टिचरान, एका आर्ट टिचरान भुरग्याक खंय बडयेन मारलो. सो आतां बरो भुरग्याक सुद्दां बडयेन मारलो जाल्यार तो शाळेंत येवपाचो बंद जातलो.
रायट.
सो अशे तरेचे मानसीक आजार आशिल्ले भुरगे शाळेंत येवचे ना न्ही, कारण तांकां बाकी भुरगे त्रास करतात, टिचरूय तांकां बरे तरेन ट्रीट करना.
सो मे बी हांव हेंच म्हणटलो की जी अवेरनेस त्या टिचरां मदीं आसा, जावं मेंटल कंडिशन्सा बद्दल, डेव्हलपमेंटल कंडिशन्सा बद्दल, ऑर मे बी बाकी कितें बिहेवियर इश्यूज भुरग्यां मदीं नोटीस जाता, सो तांचे आदारीत ते भुरग्यां कडेन डील करतले. सो हांव कमेंट करूं शकना त्या गोष्टी.
I'd like to add another thing. One is, yes, awareness, as you said, but also for a teacher to be able to utilize that awareness in dealing with a child. The mental health of the teacher has to also be important. It has to be looked into.
Exactly, exactly.
So
I think the initial interviews of a teacher, whether to take him as a teacher or not, these questions have to be asked.
Definitely. But then also things can change with time. A person can be
Yes,
very normal at the
you are
initial
right.
stage, but then things can change.
Correct.
And therefore,
Okay.
I mean, something that we have been kind of thinking of is possibly having regular audits, mental health audits of teachers.
Point. Nice, very
So
nice.
to check whether they have the emotional capacity to deal with children, because they are influencers.
What is the percentage of such kind of children in Goa? You can't give me you don't have to give me the exact figure, but is there a alarming situation?
But if you look at child and adolescents, I mean mental health conditions among the whole gamut of child and adolescents, it's around 12.5%. So it's, I think 1 out of every 8 children.
It's a national
it's 1 out of 8 children that have some
Yes.
form of a mental health problem. So if a classroom, say a normal classroom, has around 50 students, so there's a high possibility that 50 divided by 8 is that many number of students could have. So at least you have 5
in a classroom.
Much more,
Yes.
much more. Around 5 to 6 students,
Yeah.
sorry,
Oh,
5 to 6 students in every classroom that could have a diagnosable condition. Now, these children are not lazy. These children are not dimwits. These children are not backward. They just have a problem, and I think we need to learn how to manage that problem so that we can optimize their function and no more
This is
label
a
them.
serious society problem.
It is.
Not even the parents,
it's
teachers,
societal.
the government, everybody has to come together and give a very serious thought
It
about
is,
it. Yes.
yes.
So
But
they-
there are
yeah.
steps in the right way. Like right now, at least teacher training is happening. See, at least there are steps, much better than a lot other states, I would say.
Yes.
Teachers trainings are happening constantly, as well as a lot of mental health programs in schools and colleges. I think Sangat, Kuj, we are Setu also. We're having a lot of programs in schools and colleges, educating and bringing this awareness. Parents are being made more aware. I think now in this last year, at least I've attended 4 PTA meetings where actually mental health was the core topic.
Yeah.
You know?
I'd like to say something
Yes.
here.
Yes, yes.
Actually, I think I agree with everything that's been said, but I want to emphasize also that teachers are already very burdened.
Yes.
When we go into, so some of our work has been in
Point.
colleges, and the teachers are like, how much more, we can do? Like the most, if a teacher notices that a child or a student is being disruptive or has changed in the classroom, the amount of things that they can do within the classroom system are limited. So sometimes they suggest that you go to the counselor, but the counseling systems need to be strengthened as well. Like in some colleges, we've heard from counselors that college doesn't allow this topic to be discussed. Like some of our research is on dating relationships. Now, if the college says don't discuss dating
This is a very
relationships,
important issue,
so
yeah.
many of the mental health problems are being caused by dating
There is
relationships.
a movie recently released, Oh My God 2. It deals with the sexual problems
Yes.
in the adolescent. So this has to be discussed.
Exactly. So I feel that some of the responsibility it's a collective responsibility, like has been discussed, and I want to emphasize the role of parents, because parents are like, you've
No,
sent
more
the
than I
child
will,
to
I will
school.
come to you for parents.
Okay.
Tell me something more about the counselors and the schools.
Sure.
You just said that schools are not allowing them to handle certain topics.
Right. So I think that to a great extent now, all colleges and schools have to have counselors, and they do have counselors.
Yes.
I have met many of these counselors, and I feel that they have a strong understanding of issues and they want to help. They want to build a connection with the children, build a connection with the teachers, but lots of things have to change. You have to tackle the stigma around mental health. For a child to walk into the counseling room, there might be gossip. They don't want to be seen going into the room. So how is counseling perceived in the college? How are teachers, only if the child who is disturbing, if only that child is being sent to the counselor again and
Exactly,
again,
exactly.
what is the message that is being sent about the counselor, right? And of course, like I said, some topics are so taboo. Like there are topics that children want to ask questions on that they don't get answers
Exactly.
to. So they turn to internet,
We
or
call
they turn
Goa
to...
as a very progressive state.
Yeah.
Still, problems like sex are not discussed in the schools.
Absolutely,
This is
they are
a
not.
serious issue.
Yes, they are
So you
not.
have discussed this with the counselors?
Yes, I have spoken to some of the counselors, and what we try to do, what they have told us is that they'll start talking about something indirect. They will get permission to talk about, let's say, social relationships, and usme they'll introduce little bit about romance and love, and the fact is that all the questions you will realize are only about that topic, because that's a topic no one knows anything about.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mr. Varak, will you please tell me when to contact a doctor when such situation arises?
Okay, so basically म्हाका तरी अशें दिसता की इट्स डिपेंड ऑन द सिच्युएशन ऑल्सो एंड नीड ऑफ द दॅट पर्टिक्युलर सिच्युएशन कितें गरज आसा एंड बेज ऑन दॅट आमी फुडलो जो प्रोफेशनल आसा ताची हेल्प सीक करूं शकता मे बी ती डिफिकल्टीज कोणें पयलीं आयडेंटिफाय केला that person also should be into the picture, so better understanding to understand करपाक कितें concern आसा and then we can provide support accordingly.
सिरियस इश्यू अगेन सुसायड्स. सो तुमी ते कशे हँडल करतात? कारण ह्या सगळ्या मेंटल इलनेसाक लागून स्ट्रेस वाडप, परिक्षेन ताचें लक्ष नसप, तें म्हणटा तशें सोरो पिवपा कडेन ताजो कल वचप, तो आनी कितें तरी अशी बिहेवियरल टेंडन्सी ताजे वाडप, ताका लागून कुटुंबाक तो नाका जाता, शाळेन तो एक बर्डन जाल्लो आसा, समाजाक तो नाका आसता. सो अशे वेळार तो खंयचोय मनीस सुसायडा कडेन वतलो.
So So this year completes 11 years of our suicide prevention program, and I think I agree with Devika when she says that certain topics are taboo in schools and colleges. So when we started off the program, and we knew that the rate of suicide among young people is very high. I mean, among students it is around 26 to 27 students dying to suicide every day in India. Across India. So if you look at, but you know, if you look at it, 26, it looks one, but if you look at throughout the whole year, it's almost around 11 to 12,000 students. Now, one college in Goa would have around, say, 1,500 students. So you take the student load of, say, 7 to 8 colleges completely wiped off to suicide every year. So it's huge. So what we had thought is we'll go into colleges and we will educate them on suicide, but there was such a big taboo. That was 11 years back. Today, I'm so happy to see that there has been a shift, because we have been constantly creating this awareness, constantly creating this buzz. We have been getting we as doctors and professionals have not only been going and giving out this message, but we have used say the heroes of the young people. So we've gotten the musicians, we've gotten artists, we've gotten sports people to come and actually share their stories of when they were feeling down and possibly they were feeling suicidal and how they overcame that, you know. So your question is, how do you deal with it? So suicide is very, very complex. So you deal with it at an individual level, but it's not only an individual issue. It's not only that it's a weakness looked at from one person, but that weakness can stem from
tell me something about causes of suicide.
I'm actually talking about that. So that weakness can stem from so many issues. It can from societal pressure, societal perspectives and attitudes, what is considered as right and wrong, what parents consider as right and wrong. That is one
educational
part.
stress.
Educational stress, emotional dysregulation. Kids today do not know how to handle issues.
Failure in love.
It's you can
This
look
is
at
one of the, I think.
but it's not only failure in love, it's basically how do you cope with difficult situations in your life.
Yes.
And emotions, and therefore life skills training, I think, has to be made mandatory and compulsory in every curriculum. And that is, I think, all of us together, I think, are kind of voicing and are forcing
Please
that,
speak, yeah.
you know,
This is
that
a very,
we
very important
need to
topic.
have life skills training. So that is one
What
part.
do you mean with life skill training?
Teaching them how to cope with stress,
Okay.
how to cope with anger, how to cope when you're feeling sad, how to cope when you're faced with a problem and you're feeling stuck. You know, how do you open up your mind from a very cloistered one-point answer to looking at options? You know, how do you, just the fact, as you said, maybe I can go and share with somebody else. I have the tools, I have resources for who I can actually share these things with. I think this is what people and kids today need to learn. But that is one aspect. I feel from another aspect, and if you see the rate of, if you look at rate of suicides, if you look at suicides in the West versus India, you'll find in India more younger people ending their life.
Yeah, we have examples in Kota training schools. They are every year some hundreds of students are.
Because when you look at suicide prevention, you're also looking at reducing access to means. See, today we have seen students in their uniforms going to a shop and buying harmful lethal substances, which is illegal. They cannot. There are laws which is banning the regulation of sale of certain harmful substances to young people below the age of 18. But here students in their uniform have gone and bought it. Number one. Number two, making our bridges safer. Okay, you look at Mando, and we have a perfect example of the Bori Bridge.
Yes.
After we had our Yellow Ponda program, they put the railings on the Bori Bridge.
There was a movement by newspapers also in Goa to put that training.
So, yes, exactly. So we had started that 10 years back when we started the Yellow programs in Goa. We started that movement, and as soon as the railings were put on that bridge, the rate of suicide on that bridge went down to zero. We are pushing for Zuari and Mandovi, and not even the new Mandovi, Datul Setu, the old Mandovi bridges. Because when we talk to people and we ask them, how are you contemplating, many of them will say, okay, this bridge or that bridge. It's very simple. You just have to put wire meshes. It's inexpensive.
Yes.
Yet that will save so many lives.
That's true.
Yeah. So though we cannot blame the kid, we can't only blame the parents and society, but we have to look at it from a collective responsibility. I like the word that you use, the collective responsibility. We all have a role to play.
You want to say something about the suicides?
Yeah.
You've done some kind of study or done some kind of research on it?
Yeah, I wanted to talk a little bit about what Dr. Peter said also, I think about life skills. The idea is that why does suicide come up as an option in someone's mind? Because they have learned it from somewhere, right? So the idea is that we teach them other ways, so they learn other ways to deal with failure or emotions that are feeling uncontrolled. And especially with young people, this is like adolescents, this is a time when so many things are changing in your body, in your mind. You are a confused person. If people around you are dismissing you or saying you are doing this for attention, or just making you feel like what you are experiencing is not correct, then you will deal with it on your own. So the point is that you need to not only that you learn how are some better ways to put your emotions rather than thinking about ending your life or going into a substance or something like that. The idea is that you learn better ways, but also if there are disabling factors, like doctor said, if there are ways in which you can't do it, that also sends you a message that I must find another way to deal with this in a healthy way.
Nilesh Varak, you work in Setu as a psychologist, but also you are a child protection officer. So what do you mean by this, child protection officer?
Right. So सेतू नाव चायल्ड प्रोटेक्शन ऑफिसराचो रोल निभयता. सो त्या रोलान म्हळ्यार जेन्ना आमकां भुरगीं रिफर करता जावं आमचे कडेन क्लायंट्स येता, सो तेंची सेफ्टी सेतून आमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ देर सेफ्टी, तांची कॉन्फिडेन्शियलिटी, तांचे बाकीचे एनवायरमेंटल हजार्ड्स कितें आसा, सो वी जस्ट लूक आफ्टर दॅट. सो आय एम अ पार्ट ऑफ इट एंड हांव त्या कमिटीचो भाग आसा आनी हांव ते सामके सुपरवायज करता. वी मेक शुअर की कितें शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट खंय नासतलो, सो दे शूड नॉट सॉलो इट or they should not cut घालू शकता.
सुसायड येता?
So yeah, we get cases like suicidal thoughts आशिल्ले, suicidal ideation दाखयली, भुरगीं रिफर जाता जावं तांकां रिफर करता, तांचे फॅमिलीज घेवन येता. एंड बेसिकली
मागीर तुमकां असो डेटा आसचो पडना तुमचे कडेन की गोंयान अमके पर्संटेज आसात, गोंयच्या अमके भागान अशे तरेची भुरगीं आसात, तांचेर लक्ष दवरप. कारण आजूच एक न्यूज आयल्या की एका मेंटली रिटायर्डेड भुरग्याचेर रेप जालो, आजूच न्यूज पेपरान आयल्या. दिस इज समथींग व्हेरी सिरियस केस. सो अशे तरेचे तुमचे कडेन डेटा आसता की, कारण सबंद गोंयान लक्ष दवरप विल बी डिफिकल्ट.
रायट. सो जेन्ना रिसर्च माध्यमांतल्यानूच आमी हो डेटा कलेक्ट करूं शकता आनी आमी ते निकतें स्टार्ट केला टू वर्क ऑन द रिसर्च, सो टू कलेक्ट मोर डेटा आनी एविडन्स बेस आमी उलयतले, और एविडन्स बेस आमी प्रॅक्टिकली लोकांच्या दोळ्या मुखार सादर करतले की ही कारणां आसता आनी सायंटिफिकली ती प्रूफ जाल्या. सो थ्रू दॅट मे बी हांव तुमकां ताचेर आन्सर.
थँक्यू वरक बाब. आमचो प्रोग्रामाचो टायम सोंपत आयला. आय वॉन्ट ए फायनल स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम यू.
So my final statement is that there is the National Suicide Prevention Strategy, which just came out in November last year. I think it's time that Goa needs to implement this, number one, and the new Mental Health Care Act of 2017, which helps to sort a lot of the issues that we just brought up. So these are the two. One is the law and one is the strategy, which I think if it's implemented in Goa, and Goa is a small state, if we implement, we can make it a model state for mental health care in Goa.
Thank you, Dr. Peter Castellino.
Thank you.
देविका गुप्ता ऑफ सांगात आणि निलेश वरक ऑफ सेतू. एक महत्वाच्या विशयाचेर आमी आज चर्चा केल्या. एक अवेरनेस मंथ चालू आसा आनी आज मेंटल हेल्थ डे. ह्या संदर्भात गोंयान कितें परिस्थिती आसा ताचेर उजवाड घालपाचो आमी प्रयत्न केला. जशें डॉक्टर पिटर हांणी सांगलें की शाळांनी धरून सगळे कडेन अशे तरेची भुरगीं आसूं शकतात. 30 संख्येच्या शाळेन किंवा वर्गान 3 ते 7 भुरगीं आसूं शकतात. सो तांचे कडेन बारीकसाणेन पळोवप, तांकां बरे तरेन वागणूक दिवप, इतलेंच न्हय तर हो एक सामाजीक जबाबदारी. फकत कुटुंबाची जबाबदारी न्ही, टिचराची जबाबदारी, शाळेच्या वेवस्थापनाची जबाबदारी, सरकाराची जबाबदारी, कावन्सिलर त्या संदर्भात कितले सक्षम आसात, टीचर कितले सक्षम आसात. आनी आमी कितलेशे सिनेमांनी पळयत तशें कुटुंबातले लोकूय ताच्या संदर्भात जापसालदार नासतात, संवेदनशील नासतात. म्हाका दिसता आयच्या दिसाचो संदेश तो होच. अशा लोकांच्या बाबतीन, अशा भुरग्याच्या बाबतीन आमी चड संवेदनशील जावया. तुमी सगळे आमच्या कार्यावळीन आयले आनी खूब मोलादीक सुचोवण्यो केल्यो. तुमचे हांव गोमंतक टीव्हीचे वतीन तुमचे उपकार मानता.
Thank you for having us.
थँक्यू. पळयत रावात गोमंतक टीव्ही.